Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Gemini too many login attempts error. If you've tried signing in multiple times and suddenly get locked out, don't panic. Here's how to fix it safely and get back into your account. Step number 1 is what you're gonna do is close the Google Gemini app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and swipe the Gemini away to clear it from memory. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. Gemini's security system blocks logins after too many failed attempts to protect your account. In the meantime, check your internet connection and make sure you're entering the correct email and password. If you're unsure, tap the forgot password on the login screen to reset it. After waiting the period, reopen Gemini and try signing in again carefully. Avoid multiple rapid attempts. If you use Google Sign In, make sure your two-step verification is ready before retrying. And if the error persists, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and restart your iPhone to refresh your connection. Privacy tip: never try to bypass login limits using shady links or shady tools or unofficial links. These can compromise your Google or Gemini account security. Quick fix: if you're still logged out, clear Safari cookies settings and clear history and website data. Delete and reinstall the Google Gemini app, then try logging in again with the correct credentials. If it continues, use Gemini's website on Safari. It often works even when the app's lockout is active. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.